Transporter is a trusted name in construction hoisting systems, designed to enhance safety and efficiency on roofing and building sites. Their ladder hoists and platform lifts are engineered with durable aluminum frames and high-torque motors, capable of lifting shingles, tiles, and tools quickly to elevated areas. Compact and portable, transporter units minimize manual labor and reduce injury risk while maximizing productivity. Ideal for contractors and roofers, the system embodies reliability and smart engineering, helping streamline vertical material handling in both residential and commercial construction. Fluid-applied roofing is a cutting-edge waterproofing technology that replaces traditional membranes with seamless liquid coatings. Applied as a spray or roll-on layer, it forms a continuous, durable barrier resistant to UV, moisture, and thermal expansion. Ideal for roof restoration, it extends lifespan while improving energy efficiency through reflective properties. Compatible with various substrates, it eliminates seams, the common source of leaks, and simplifies maintenance. This sustainable roofing approach reduces waste and cost, providing long-term protection with exceptional weatherproof performance. The SCHILDR retractable glass roof merges architectural elegance with engineering precision, offering year-round adaptability. Built with insulated laminated glass panels and an automated sliding mechanism, it allows natural light and ventilation while maintaining energy efficiency. Perfect for restaurants, patios, and atriums, the system transitions seamlessly between open air and enclosed spaces. SCHILDR's advanced sealing and drainage technology ensures all-weather usability without compromising aesthetics. Combining comfort, transparency, and structural integrity, it transforms architectural spaces into dynamic, climate-responsive environments. VENTAKROV is an advanced roofing ventilation system engineered to optimize airflow and prevent moisture buildup beneath roofing structures. Designed for both residential and industrial applications, it ensures consistent ventilation that extends roof life and prevents mold formation. Its aerodynamic profile minimizes wind resistance while maintaining superior thermal performance. Built with corrosion-resistant materials, VENTAKROV functions efficiently in all climates, contributing to better energy management. This innovation reflects a commitment to sustainability, durability, and healthy building environments. Cold production ice formwork is a groundbreaking construction technique that uses frozen water as a temporary mold for casting concrete or composites. By shaping structures from ice and then freezing them, architects achieve complex organic geometries that melt away after curing, leaving behind innovative forms. This sustainable approach eliminates the need for disposable molds and enables experimental architecture in extreme environments. The method merges art and engineering, demonstrating how nature-inspired processes can redefine the boundaries of modern construction. 3D wall technology represents the next evolution in modular construction, featuring prefabricated sandwich panels composed of steel mesh and polystyrene cores. These lightweight panels provide superior strength, insulation, and seismic resistance. The system allows rapid assembly with minimal equipment, reducing labor and project timelines. Ideal for residential, commercial, and disaster relief structures, 3D wall combines sustainability with cost efficiency. Its thermal and acoustic properties make it a preferred choice for modern energy-efficient building solutions worldwide. JoStep is a modular retaining wall and erosion control system designed for steep slopes and infrastructure stabilization. Constructed from high-strength polymer or concrete blocks, it provides interlocking stability while allowing vegetation growth for ecological harmony. The system ensures effective water drainage and soil retention, making it suitable for roadways, embankments, and landscape architecture. JoStep's innovative design combines engineering precision with environmental responsibility, ensuring long-term performance and sustainability in geotechnical applications. TrickBrick AG introduces a revolutionary modular timber block system that reimagines sustainable construction. Each interlocking brick is made from locally sourced wood and designed for disassembly and reuse, promoting a circular economy. The system eliminates adhesives and metal fasteners, making buildings fully recyclable. Engineered for strength and thermal performance, TRIQ brick offers a low-carbon alternative to concrete or steel. It embodies the future of regenerative architecture where renewable materials meet precision digital fabrication for eco-conscious building solutions. MPDA Barcelona Tech, Master in Parametric Design in Architecture, is a world-leading academic program that explores computational design, digital fabrication, and advanced construction technologies. Focused on real-world innovation, it empowers architects and engineers to integrate parametric modeling, robotics, and sustainability into modern architecture. Students and researchers collaborate to create experimental prototypes that redefine spatial and material possibilities. MPDA represents a global hub for architectural intelligence, bridging creativity and technology to shape the cities of tomorrow. The Clip-Up system by Garbilato revolutionizes hardwood flooring installation with a patented, tool-free mechanism. Instead of adhesives or nails, planks simply clip into place using an innovative underlay structure, allowing rapid installation and easy removal. This dry system promotes environmental sustainability and supports renovation flexibility. Made from high-quality Italian wood, it delivers exceptional acoustic comfort and aesthetic refinement. Clip-Up exemplifies Garbilato's fusion of craftsmanship and innovation, creating elegant, durable floors with modern efficiency. UBBINC is a pioneer in energy-efficient ventilation and building envelope systems. Specializing in roof terminals, ducts, and solar integration components, the company enhances indoor air quality and overall energy performance. Its solutions are engineered for easy installation and long-term reliability, ensuring airtightness and moisture control in modern homes. UBBINC's focus on sustainability and precision manufacturing supports the shift toward low-carbon construction. Trusted across Europe, it represents excellence in smart building technology and environmental responsibility. T-Works is India's largest prototyping center, designed to empower inventors, engineers, and startups with advanced fabrication tools. Equipped with CNC machines, 3D printers, and robotics systems, it serves as a collaborative ecosystem for hardware innovation. The facility enables rapid prototyping, testing, and scaling of industrial products. By democratizing access to world-class manufacturing infrastructure, T-Works accelerates innovation across sectors such as automotive, aerospace, and renewable energy, fueling the next wave of technological entrepreneurship. Open metal web joists, also known as posy joists, combine timber flanges with steel webbing to deliver superior structural performance and design flexibility. This hybrid system allows for long spans with minimal weight, ideal for housing, offices, and commercial builds. The open web design provides easy access for plumbing, HVAC, and electrical services without cutting through joists. Offering precision, sustainability, and efficiency, posy joists reduce waste while improving acoustic and thermal characteristics, making them a cornerstone of modern timber construction. ThermoSteel is an advanced structural insulated panel SIP system that integrates steel framing with expanded polystyrene insulation. Engineered for strength, energy efficiency, and speed of construction, it replaces conventional framing and insulation in one solution. Panels are lightweight, fire-resistant, and resistant to mold or pests. ThermoSteel's modular design reduces construction time while enhancing thermal performance, achieving significant energy savings. As a sustainable alternative to traditional materials, it delivers superior durability and precision for commercial and residential buildings alike. ThermoPath is an innovative heating system designed for surface and radiant applications, delivering consistent warmth through energy-efficient electrical pathways. Embedded beneath flooring or walls, it provides rapid and uniform heat distribution while minimizing energy loss. Its flexible installation and smart control integration make it suitable for both new builds and renovations. ThermoPath's advanced thermal technology ensures comfort, efficiency, and sustainability, marking a significant leap forward in intelligent building climate systems. A mansard roof conversion transforms existing attic space into full living areas, by altering the roof structure to create vertical walls and additional headroom. Originating from 17th century French architecture, this method maximizes usable space while preserving a building's character. The conversion process improves insulation and property value, offering both aesthetic and functional benefits. Combining craftsmanship with engineering precision, mansard conversions remain one of the most elegant solutions for urban housing expansion in heritage-conscious architecture. T-Con plastic formwork is a durable and reusable concrete forming system designed for cost-effective and sustainable construction. Made from high-strength ABS or PP panels, it replaces traditional timber formwork, offering lightweight handling and quick assembly. Resistant to corrosion and water absorption, it ensures consistent surface finishes and longer lifespan. Ideal for housing, infrastructure, and precast applications, T-Con's modular system reduces labor and material waste. It exemplifies eco-efficient engineering that meets modern construction demands for performance and reusability. L panels are prefabricated insulated concrete wall systems developed to accelerate construction timelines while enhancing building efficiency. Each panel integrates structure, insulation, and finish in a single product. Engineered for strength and thermal stability, they provide superior soundproofing and fire resistance. L panels enable faster installation with minimal on-site waste, reducing costs and carbon footprint. Ideal for large-scale developments, they embody innovation in prefabrication combining precision engineering with sustainable design. Haslacher Group is a global leader in engineered timber construction, specializing in glued laminated timber, CLT panels, and structural wood innovations. Founded in Austria, the company integrates traditional woodworking expertise with advanced technology to deliver sustainable building solutions. Their precision-engineered wood products offer high load-bearing performance, design flexibility, and carbon sequestration benefits. Haslacher's commitment to sustainable forestry and renewable materials places it at the forefront of the green building revolution. AZEK Trim is a premium exterior trim solution made from high-performance PVC, engineered to resist moisture, rot, and insects. Unlike wood, it requires no painting or sealing, maintaining a crisp, clean appearance for decades. Its lightweight design ensures easy cutting, shaping, and installation with standard tools. Ideal for fascia, columns, and architectural detailing, AZEK Trim offers timeless beauty with modern resilience. Combining sustainability and durability, it provides architects and builders with a maintenance-free, long-lasting finishing material. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.